Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Misha Larue. If you're new, welcome. Subscribe to your girl's channel. But you guys will see this makeup and outfit look that I got on my YouTube channel. I did like a makeup, like a 5 to 10 minute outfit and makeup look because I did add like blush, a little bit of highlight, even though it was supposed to be like 5 minutes. Couldn't help myself. But yeah, bro is about to head out. See you later, bro. Yeah, so today's Sunday fun day. I just got done cleaning our apartment, so she's pretty squeaky clean. I keep that cover on just in case if I'm doing something on my channel or if I'm doing something I don't want to dirty my couch, so that's what that's for. But she's clean. That's my coffee. My flowers are still going strong from when my brother and my boyfriend got me flowers for Valentine's Day. Love them both. But yeah, I got some clothes. I need to do some outfit reels for you guys today. I'm excited. It's Sunday fun day, you guys. Also, I want to go to Walmart because I want to do the one chip challenge, and I feel so bad because my subscriber asked me like last year to do this, but you know, honey, like everything that's going on and what just happened to me recently, I'm just like taking it easy, but I'm also trying to just go hard and just do what I love to do every single day, which is YouTube and outfit looks for you guys. So check out my Instagram. I'm really gonna go hard this year with my outfits. I'm turning 30 this year, you guys, so it's like level up. That's all I hear is Sierra's level up. So yeah, I love this makeup look. It's so simple and easy and very quick, which I love. It's just like my 5 to 10 minute everyday simple makeup look when I just want to feel put together and girly, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, back to the blonde. I love her. So yeah, she's cute till we get our braids because we're going on vacation soon. So excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiping stuff down though. I want to wipe down this table because that's where I did my makeup at. So yeah, let's get that situated. Actually gonna work on my bookshelf over there and do my books over, but also let's read the word of the day over here. So my coworker got me this as a birthday gift and I'm so excited and happy, but let's find the right date. As you can see, I haven't been reading because I've just been not in the right space, I guess. Yeah, so let's find the one that's for today. All right, you guys, so this is for Saturday and Sunday. It says, love yourself, you're a badass, which I love. But I wanted to read the Thursday one. It says, doubt, fears, and other people's rules are no match for her on a mission. And that's how I feel. So I'm so excited that I didn't throw it away. Like, there's some that I want to read some of these because I never got a chance to. So I think that would be a great idea, is to just go through some of these right now and just have some good inspirational quotes going on. And I'll actually post these on my Instagram as well. Also gonna do some Bible study. Well, actually do the word of the day. Let me say that, and do Bible study tonight. So this is the book that I'm reading. My boyfriend's mom gave this to me last year or 2 years ago for Christmas. She knows I love devotionals, so yeah, that's where I'm at in the book. Gonna read today, post that on the gram. But I'm gonna go ahead and look at some of these and I'll catch up with you guys in a few. right, you guys. He's looking good. No, my brother's not playing. Day night is all I do. I can't get you out my mind. Think about B5. You guys have no idea. All the time. Okay, back to writing down my video ideas. Gonna work on Bible study. Still watching my girl Giselle. Love her. Cooking. Got the rice in there. Meat's looking good. We made it, you guys. We made it to Walmart. I feel like there's a bunch of weirdos here today. Gonna grab me a pretzel before they close. Hey my loves, welcome back to your girl Misha Larue. It's been a couple of days, but from the Walmart video, I'm ending that video right now. It's so ironic and funny. My patient that requested that video came today. I got makeup on my jacket, gross. But yeah, my favorite patient, she came in today and I was like, I'm so sorry. I went to Walmart. They did not have the chip, the 1 chip challenge. I have to order that from Amazon. I have to order that online. So unfortunately, I kind of went to the store for no reason, but I did get myself out the house. So that was really good. But yeah, I'm looking a little crazy right now. Just was outside. I just came in my car because I'm just trying to meditate, relax myself. I feel my anxiety going up and like my chest hurt. So yeah, happy Friday, you guys. But yeah, I'm ending that Walmart vlog. Sorry I didn't end the vlog there, but I gotta order the 1 chip online, so that video will be coming soon. And she also wanted me to do the hot noodle challenge, so hopefully I could do that with her, because I know my patient like very well. Like I know her family. Her mom used to be my drill coach, so I just find it amazing just to see, like, you know, like people that you were back in the day with got kids and now you see their kids. Pretty cool. But yeah, so I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, probably listen to a sermon, TD Jakes. Most likely that's what I'm gonna do while I sit here in the car and just woosah myself. It's Friday. I'm so excited. I just love Fridays. I just love the weekend. Like, if I didn't have to work a 9 to 5, girl, this anxiety would not exist. But it is what it is. For right now, God is good. Just keep praying, meditating, and listen to the word. But yeah, if you guys have any requests or questions, comment down below. Don't worry, I am gonna fix my hair. It's tucked in. Still cute though. I did simple makeup. I just did foundation, concealer, lashes, and lip. I mean, I just got finished eating something and I got a mustache. My boyfriend's gonna tell me. I know he is. Every time I wear makeup and I don't shave my mustache, obviously it shows, but he's like, you know you got a mustache, right? And I'm like, bro, we're not gonna go there. But yeah, love you, love. See you in my next one.